Hello, I'm Ishaan, and in the next few minutes, I want to share the 5 stages you need to go through to become a successful digital coach. With over 5 years of experience, I believe it's crucial to record this video to guide you whether you're starting from scratch or navigating through different phases of your coaching business. If you're watching this on any platform, hit the like button and type ready to learn in the comments to engage with me. Let's jump into the mind map and explore the stages and why understanding the bigger picture is essential. First is the launch stage, where you define your niche, set up systems, design your curriculum, and focus on content marketing. It's about building credibility and creating your product. Next is the sales phase, where you go out to get more customers and revenue through various selling methods like one-to-one, webinars, workshops, and funnels. Then comes the scaling phase, involving performance marketing and organic strategy. Combine channels like Facebook, Google, YouTube ads with blogging, SEO, and podcasting for comprehensive growth. After scaling, we move to the expansion phase, forming alliances and partnerships aligned with your vision. Consider a partner program with commissions for your students. Finally, the impact phase is about brand building. Leverage success stories, launch a book, board game, or a book series to elevate your influence. Remember, this journey takes time. Give yourself 9 months for launch, 6 for sales, 12 for scaling, 2 years for expansion, and 5 years for impactful results. It's not just about tactics. It's about building relationships, offering continuous value, and staying committed to the journey. If you're not part of my community, join now for my next webinar. For existing members, explore leveling up and share your top 3 takeaways in the comments and share this video to spread the knowledge. Stay committed and success will follow. Cheers, God bless, and may you be successful. Bye-bye.